Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable stock. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 2 large carrots, 3 celery stalks, and 1 large onion. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, and 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. Finally, have 12 cups of cold water ready to go. Now let's prepare your vegetables. Give everything a good wash. Then roughly chop the carrots, celery, and onion into 2-inch pieces. There's no need to peel them, as the skins add flavor and nutrients. Just remember to avoid strong-flavored vegetables like broccoli or cabbage, which can make your stock bitter. Next, combine all your prepped ingredients, including the garlic, bay leaf, and peppercorns, in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add the 12 cups of cold water. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook uncovered for at least 1 hour or up to 2 hours, then strain out all the solids. Once your delicious vegetable stock is ready, let it cool completely before storing. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in 1-cup portions for several months of fresh flavor. This makes meal prep so much easier. And speaking of great reads, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals to enhance your cooking and reading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.